I'm a history major, and I live in Jefferson County. Thomas Jefferson showed us how to do this. If we are naive enough to expect that the federal Supreme Court is going to stand in the way of an advance of federal power, then we are indeed naive. There is a way to do it, and it's called nullification. That means that the states have every right that is not given to the federal government in the Constitution. Every right that isn't specifically delegated to the federal government belongs to the states and the people. Nullification has worked in the past. It's where a state government simply says, no, we're not going to enforce or allow to be enforced in the state, in our state, a federal law that is obviously beyond the purview of the constitutional restraints put on the federal government. We're not going to allow you to enforce it here. And it worked. Does anybody remember Real ID? Where the feds were going to say, you have to have real ID with iris scans and your entire medical and social history on the strip on your ID card. Well, 20 states said, no, we're not going to do it. So it stopped. Real ID is not in effect, even though it's still a law. It's a federal law. We have the power to do this, people, if we have the guts. We have the power to be a sovereign state if we choose to do so.